Thanks for joining us one more time. In this short segment, we're simply going to talk about clamps. Now, there are two different types of clamps available through Home Depot Pro. One is a worm drive clamp, which will work with a flathead screwdriver or a nut driver, allowing that contractor to tighten and loosen as required. Now, it comes in a 3 and 4 inch size, so that range will go from 3 all the way up to 4 inch duct, or in a 6 and 7 inch, allowing you to change the circumference again from 6 to 7 inch as required. Simple tightening, galvanized steel, won't rust, it'll outperform any other type of clamp. We do have another clamp that's very popular, and that's our tension clamp. It's made of spring steel, it's also galvanized, and simply by holding it with your thumb and your pointer finger, you're actually changing the circumference of that opening. This is particularly handy when using on foil ducting. So in this particular instance, what you would do is simply hold it with your pointer finger and your thumb and change the circumference of the clamp so that it does in fact fit over top of the duct. It's really that simple. Don't forget to make that clamp sale every time you're selling a piece of duct or any other sort of accessory for fastening dryers, kitchen range hood, or bath fans.